This tutorial will explain how to create a recurring billing entry in Brokermint. Navigate to Users under Settings. Locate and click an agent for whom you would like to create a recurring billing entry. On the right side panel, click the Billing section to open it up. Under Recurring Billing, click Add Recurring Billing. In the dialog box that appears, select a start date and define how often Brokermint should repeat the billing: every month, every quarter, or every year. Then, provide a name for the entry. Select a payment method and add one or more line items. For each line item, select a general ledger account, add a memo, quantity, and price. You can also replace the default owner of the entry from whom the agent will receive communication and invoices with one of the account's active users. When done, click Create. You're all set. Thanks for watching and have a great day.